In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable IE mode on Google Chrome vertical bar, how to open Internet Explorer in Chrome vertical bar, Chrome IE tab. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure Chrome is already running and that you are on your desktop browser, since extensions are added through the full browser version. Once Chrome is open, go to the Chrome Web Store and find the IE tab extension. When you open the extension page, take a moment to confirm that you are selecting the correct extension. The Chrome Web Store is the official place for browser extensions, so it is the safest place to install tools like this. On the IE tab page, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will then show a small confirmation window explaining what the extension can access or do. This is normal whenever you install a browser extension. Read through the prompt if you would like, then select Add Extension to confirm. After that, Chrome will begin installing the extension automatically. Once it is added, the IE tab extension will be available in your browser and ready to use. In many cases, you will also see a small notification from Chrome letting you know the extension was installed successfully. If you plan to use it often, a helpful tip is to check your extensions area in Chrome so you can quickly access it later. That can make it easier to open websites in IE mode whenever you need to. That covers everything you need to know.